Hi guys and welcome to Kotov Fixed channel. I have recently faced the problem of a weak Wi-Fi signal at my workplace. And today, we will find out how to solve this problem quickly and effectively. I have bought a USB Wi-Fi module. It does not require any special settings. And it's pretty cheap. This device will be useful if you work in an office or at home where the Wi-Fi signal is poor. My computer is connected to the internet through the cable, but the Wi-Fi signal does not reach my workplace, so I can't connect to Wi-Fi using my phone. This disk was included. It's for setting. I take this Wi-Fi module and connect to my work computer. Go to the settings. Network and Internet. Choose the mobile hotspot. And turn it on. Here you should create a network name. And a password. Now you have a good Wi-Fi signal within a radius of about 30 meters. I hope my video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. It was Kotov Fixed channel. And more videos are coming soon. Bye.